Hey, hello, my people. Let me ask you a simple question. Did you know that the Nigerian stock market was on fire in the month of July 2025? Yes, so it became the best performing month this year, the month of July. In just 1 month, the market jumped by over 16%. And guess what? People made serious money, myself inclusive. Some made 30%, some made 40%, even some people made 80% or more in terms of profit just by investing small and cashing out big. If you have been sitting on the fence before now, I think this video will open your eyes. So let me tell you what really happened in the month of July in the Nigerian stock market. In the month of July, the Nigerian stock market did something unusual, very special. It went from 119 points to over 139 points within 1 month. That is extremely massive, about 16.57% increase. That is wow. Over 22 billion shares were bought and sold. In other words, they were traded, compared to about 13 billion that was done in the month of June. What that means to me is that more people came into the market, more money flowed in, and more people also cash out big time. Companies like Triple G, Cadbury, Wema Bank, even Sovereign Insurance made people smile big time. Let me give you a real story from my own experience and from my own pocket. A few months ago, I bought some shares of Sovereign Trust Insurance PLC. I noticed there were numbers or their numbers were improving little by little, and I decided to buy some shares of the company. I didn't do any other thing. I just waited. When the price went up, sometimes in July, I sold and boom, I made over 30% returns in terms of profit, which was around 600,000 naira. No running around, no wahala. That's the power of investing in the Nigerian stock market, and you too can do it also. A beginner investor that I was coaching put about 200,000 in Triple G shares at the start of July. By month end, the stock went up as high as 88%. Personally, I missed out. He made a lot of money, as you can guess. I know he made, while he was telling me, he made over 176,000 profit and another 21,000 naira profit from Wema Bank, doing absolutely nothing. And also a friend invested in Calvary shares, and he was telling me the shares went up by about 63%. He made almost 95,000 profit. He was now just thinking of, he wasn't even thinking of any other thing. He wanted to even put that money into a small food business chain. These are just not rich people. They are normal people like you and me watching this video. Let me break it down for you where all the money came from. Number one is in the industrial sector of the market. This one went up by about 34% in July. Companies like Boa Cement, Lafarge, Triple G help people make serious money. What about banking sector? This sector went up as high as 26%. Wema Bank, UBA, GTB, Zenith Bank gave people easy profit between 20 and 40%. And it was the most traded sector as over 6.4 billion shares exchanged hands within that month. What about insurance sector? The one I personally cash out from through Sovereign Insurance shares. It rose by about 17%. And companies like I said, Sovereign Trust, ICO, NEM Insurance, and Mansard led all the way. Again, we have consumer sector or consumer goods sector. Even food companies no dey carry last at all. Cadbury, Dangote Sugar, Nascom, Unilever all gave big gains to investors, over 60% returns. Only in the oil and gas sector that didn't really move, just about 1.7%. But the rest, they were simply on fire. So why shouldn't you sleep at home while all of these things are happening to you? Now, the market has gone up in about 5 out of 7 months this year. And this has already returned about 36% in the year of 2025 alone. Let me break it down for you once again. If you had invested, say, 500,000 in good stocks in January, by now, what it means is that your money could have been at least 680,000 naira. That's what it means. Where else, where on earth will your money go like that? In Nigeria, doing nothing. And like I always say, stop putting your money in the bank savings where it's just sleeping and snoring. Let your money go to work for you. So you may be asking, how do I start? And that's where I come in at Mega Capital. We can help you open your own stock trading account. You will get access directly to our online Eat Trade platform where you can do quite a lot of things. You can buy shares by yourself, sell whenever you like, anytime the market or the prices move up. Track your gains every single day on the go, whether you're in the bus or inside the train. You also get guidance and update from experts, whether you have just 10,000 or even 10 million or 100 million. The market has room for everyone. So my people, stop waiting. This is the time to act. If people like you are making 30%, 50%, or even 100%, then I think you too can make the difference. I will be recommending 5 stocks, top stocks, for the month of August that you should consider investing in. So, like this video, share it and subscribe so that you can see the videos as soon as it drops by next week. You can also call or DM me for personal guidance, as I will be more than happy to help you to start your journey to financial freedom. Think about it again. Do not ever allow your money to sleep. Rather, put it to work to make sure that it's working for you every single day. The Nigerian stock market is a platform to realize that dream. See you in my next video.